Welcome back to the bloody vlog. Boys, missed you. It's been a whole bloody week. Holy hecka. We got this little 7 TSI, or Mark 7 TSI. Just a minor service and a brake flush and spark plugs. Holy hecka. I did forget to intro the car, but this is one of my Audi S3's customers. This is his mum's car. So yeah, we just look after this little Volkswagen TSI, little 1.4 turbocharged DSG, looking bloody schmick, pretty low Ks as well, just under 100,000. So not perfect in terms of Ks, but really good. Obviously full stocky boy, but boys, aftermarket battery. She's about 100 kilowatts, this thing. Technically I think it's about 98 kilowatts or something, 92 kilowatts at the wheel, something like that, but what a beast. But as always, we will transfer to the bloody test drive bloody now.
Hours later.
Oosh, boys. Well. Sheesh. What a day so far. Sump is off. New sump is, I don't know if you can see, we'll duck under there later, is on. Double checked this engine mount, so hence why a few of that, a fair few items are off over there. And we're finishing this one, oil filter out of course, and we're just about to start, I guess, yeah, the driver's side one. We got our 2 bolts, so we just got 2 of the same. The Black Forest obviously give you 1 less than what you need, so yeah, if you are buying a Black Forest kit, M12 times 1.5 and 50 mil is what you need. I think these are 8.8 tensile. The ones that were in it I think were like 9 or 10.9, but there's no way we're going to get one of those without ordering it in, so yeah, we just went for a lesser tensile, which is fine, and that should slot straight into there. And make sure, of course lads, that you are having your money a day, because a money a day does keep that bloody pesky doctor away. I think this is my second, or maybe even third, because a customer dropped one off this morning. Shout out to you, Tim. Bloody good. But yeah, Mark 7 TSI bloody done this morning, and was Xander's 7.5. Minor service being done, sump replacement being done. Shout out to V-Tune. And the driver's side aftermarket Black Forest Industry engine mount being done as well. So yeah, big day. See how the rest of it goes. But we'll be back in a minute with I guess a bit more of an update on Xander's car. Well boys, lesson learned, don't get these little corner pieces caught on your bloody pocket. Shout out to Oz Pro Dint, doing us a massive favour. 7.5 on RPF1s, boys. How good? Not bad. Old car spotting.